Hello everyone, I'm Shubham. In today's video, we'll cover how to create a webhook and alert in PLGOS. This powerful feature allows you to send automated notifications to users based on specific events in real time. Let's start from the main dashboard. Navigate to Track and Measurements on the left-hand sidebar and click on Webhooks and Alerts. On the Webhooks and Alerts page, you'll see a list of your existing alerts. To create a new one, click the Add an Alert button in the top right corner or the Add a Webhook button in the center if you have no previous alerts. Now you're on the Create an Alert page. First, give your alert a name. Next, under Alert Type, select Campaign Completed. Then select your desired campaign. In the Destination and Link section, choose the destination from the drop-down menu. Paste your webhook URL into the Enter Destination Link field. Under Select Fields, choose the fields you want to include in your alert. We'll select User Email to receive the user's email address in the Slack notification. Finally, you can customize your message in the Customize Your Message section. After you've customized your message, click Save this automation at the bottom. A confirmation message will appear. You can click View Alert to see your new webhook and alert in your list. From here, you can also edit it in the future by clicking the pencil edit option on the right side of the event in your events list, and you can enable or disable the alert as needed using the toggle switch. That's all there is to it. You have now created and enabled an alert that will send real-time notifications to your Slack channel. We hope this tutorial was helpful. We'd love to hear your feedback on this feature, so please don't hesitate to reach out.